Welcome to Tai Chi for mental clarity.
Tai Chi is an ancient Chinese practice that uses gentle, flowing movements and mindful breathing. Even beginners can benefit. Regular practice offers a powerful way to sharpen focus, calm mental chatter, and reduce brain fog. In this guide, discover simple Tai Chi movements and practical tips to support mental clarity and well-being.
What makes Tai Chi unique?
The previous user combines slow, deliberate motion with deep, relaxed breathing. Unlike intense exercise, it emphasizes mindfulness and aligning the body and mind. Many people find that Tai Chi helps clear away distractions and fosters a sense of peaceful alertness, making it an excellent tool to boost concentration and clarity in daily life.
Getting started, basic Tai Chi posture.
Begin by standing with feet hip-width apart, knees slightly bent, and arms relaxed at your sides. Imagine a string gently pulling you upright, and feel the ground beneath your feet. Breathe in slowly through your nose and out through your mouth. This simple posture sets the stage for greater calmness and focus.
Core movement, the opening move.
Try the classic Tai Chi opening move. Inhale as you raise both arms slowly in front of you, palms facing down. Exhale gently as you lower your arms back to your sides. Focus on each breath and the feeling in your hands. Repeating this mindful movement calms the mind and eases tension.
Integrating Tai Chi into your routine.
Start with just a few minutes per day. Practice in a quiet space and focus on the sensations in your body. You're likely to notice sharper focus and less mental clutter even after short sessions. Over time, Tai Chi can become a restorative habit that supports overall mental wellness.
Final thoughts. Embrace the process.
Remember, Tai Chi is about enjoying mindful movement, not perfection. Progress comes with patience and regular practice. As you grow more comfortable, you may find your mind steadier and daily stresses easier to manage. Embrace each session as a step towards greater mental clarity and peace.